Hey, how's it guys? Welcome back. We're back here at Emma's property in Roodepoort. And we've got a sad incident which involves parents. The client's gate motor was struck by lightning on the 21st of November 2025. Came out, looked at it, and then to the client and said, no, they're not going to cover it because the client doesn't have any cover for lightning damage. Client requested the recording for where she stated she didn't want lightning cover, and my has not sent her that request. So everything's hanging in the air. So I'll advise Emma to take them to the insurance ombudsman, because the insurance policy, you need to have certain cover. To exclude lightning, so first for me to hear that. You can exclude power surge, but normally there's a set of insured perils that must be covered by insurance policy, and then you can have add-ons. So, but in any case, we're going to replace this gate motor. Right guys, all in a nutshell, you can quickly see what we've done here. Is the Centurion D6. We've replaced it with the Centurion D3. Client bought the gate motor, so we just installed it. So all we needed to do is remove the old gate motor, then bolt the new gate motor down into position, line it up, and then start checking, the installation. Obviously installation wasn't even very old. Just want to quickly get there. Alright, cool. So you can see battery charging voltage, we've set that to 13.98 volts DC. Then the other thing is, let's document that serial number on the power supply. On the controller card, you'll see that the D3 only has 2 inputs. So let's quickly document this serial number. And then the gate motor serial number. So what we've done is we've engraved again the client's details out onto the base of the gate motor, like in there, on the side here, on the cover. And then what I've done is cut the anti-theft bracket shorter, and then just re-welded it. So the only difference between the D6 and the D3 and 5 is the height. So let's quickly put just everything back in together. Right guys, we're done with this installation. I'll just quickly come closer. You can see that the anti-theft bracket is welded, shortened. All right. Right, let's quickly just come back to this anti-theft bracket. So I've shortened it and welded it on the sides, so it's working just as good. It is locked. The gate motor is, obviously, initial installation was good. We didn't have much to do. What we did do was insert some anti-lift brackets for the client. So for a D3 it does not run too bad. Doesn't have the speed of the D6. So what we've got here is the anti-lift bracket on the front here. The client still has the lock section there. And then here at the back, there you can see it. Piece of steel flat bar with another flat bar 90 degrees towards each other. Right. Right, let's quickly test it. You can see that the gate motor is standing dead still. It's not vibrating, it's not laboring at all. And that is just what you want. So guys, you know what to do. Give Potty a call, 083 778 2288. Check us out on smartgates.co.za. Thanks for watching.
Even my boombox is not working.
Yeah, what? What's your boombox?
That boombox is bigger.
Come on, go closer to the tree or take with the phone. Like take a video.
Is it on?
Yeah.
But you know what, Ne?
Yeah.
The tree got struck maybe because of the